Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Mac keyboard, and this method will work pretty much for any keyboard as well. It's really easy to do using household items. Chances are you already have these items inside your house. Let's begin. Alright, so here we go. Here is my iMac keyboard. First, make sure it is turned off. It's always a good idea to make sure it is turned off. And then next thing what we're going to do, we're going to take this 70% alcohol. It's typically just called rubbing alcohol, and you can get this at like Walmart, Target, pretty much any of those kind of places. And then we take a cotton ball, or you could use a Q-tip, or you could use like a plain like face pad for cleaning your face. And then you want to just take a little bit, not too much, and put it on your cotton ball. And then we're going to go right here on the key and just go in circles. And look how clean that got. Really cool. Go along the edges. I've heard of people using nail polish remover. That may or may not take off the lettering, so just do that. Be caution, or use caution when doing that. Show you this area right here. It's really dirty. All that fingerprint dirt just comes right up. Just take a look at all that dirt I was able to get off my keyboard. All right, and now my keyboard looks pretty much brand new. All right, there you go. That is how you clean your Mac keyboard or other keyboards. Really easy to do. Probably took about 10 minutes, and now my keyboard looks pretty much brand new. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you'll know anytime I have a new video come out. Until next time, take care, everyone.